Jigglypuff Henwy, I love that name, took out the Ganondorf that actually beat PGP. So whatever the Ganondorf was doing in that game, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just gonna stop talking. But Henwy, ooh, I mean, Jigglypuff, gotta respect it. Constant flipping and flying. See a lot of buttons being hit. There we go. One hit transitioned into clam percent. But you can't sleep on Jigglypuff. You get nailed once in the air and you're getting taken on a ride. Air dodge, yep. Oh, just another grab. Gotta go low this time, because high didn't work last time. I'm just gonna give you center again. Lasers is actually gonna be pretty big for Jigglypuff. She can't jump. Henwy opting resist the crouch. Ooh, night night. A lot of Wolf is you have to just beat him to the air. So you just have to throw out a hitbox before, as he's jumping, so that he gets hit first. But it's hard to usually lose if you are a little early or a little late. You'll get hit before anything happens. So that's why the Wolf matchups are there. Or you can throw an up air, fair, and shoot a sword. That was insane. Down to the grab. Down air to grab? Yeah. Rest would be too risky at this point. Just trying to get a kill option. I mean, playing from behind against Wolf is definitely not what you want to do. Steph, have you been commentating all day?
Huh? Yeah, me.
Have you been commentating all day?
Yeah.
Have you seen any of Henwy today?
No, I've not seen any of Henwy.
Oh, okay.
No, I have not seen Henwy all day.
Ooh, Henwy. In the back, I was going to take it. Stock behind, though. Jigglypuff, though, can just get an easy game for, rest. Read.
Yeah. Which would be the best plan?
Oh, here it is. Yep. He's dead.
Oh.
Or jump. That's nuts. This is, that was your death. So let's see if he can just let another one around.
Talking about it. Brought it up.
But, I mean, we wish into existence. Spirit science. All eyes on Jigglypuff. It's hard to catch Jigglypuff sometimes, though. Airspeed. Oh, down smash. Ooh, downer. Grab, back throw. Yep, stage position. Let's see how he gets back. I'm trying to cover the jump there with the up air. Hey, Jamana.
Too right now.
Thanks for the follow, Jamana Dow. Whatever kind of thing we do.
Jamanadam.
Oh, no jump. Ends up side B. Yeah, going out there is too risky. If you get hit by the spike box, you're dead. So it's better to just stay there. Oh, no jump. Good air dodge. Caught. I mean, although PKP can kill Henwy at any time, still pretty kind of big lead. I know it's hard.
Well, I just love the way it sounds. Just like if you can kill Henwy.
Henwy. Oh! Ended up going back into second grab. Reading the air dodge with platform saving and giving another recovery action. Oh, fantastic! Short hop, turn around F smash.
You're good, but I'm better.
Oh. No, looking at chat, someone just said, let's go chaos. So PGP, I believe the KAOZ is chaos.
Oh, chaos. Oh, tags.
Learning stuff every day.
I mean, I guess the timing of chaos. I'm just gonna call it PGP. The timing of PGP's F Smasher seemed to catch a lot of people off guard. He also doesn't just spam it willy-nilly. He usually ends up waiting long enough to land it when it counts. So Henwy will take that information, plug it into the little computer, and
run it.
Figure out what to do.
Jigs and Wolf.
I wonder if they changed stages.
That I did not see. I think we're going back to FB. Yeah. Oh no, PS2. You say a lot of jumping.
Yeah, I know. This is Wolves are just jump the game.
And then Jigglypuff being floaty.
Oh my gosh, that back air. Perfectly timed. Great air dive. Ooh, rolling out. Forward throw, stage position, jump, air dodge. Yep, he always loves air dodge that platform. Wonder if he's gonna catch on to that. So, I mean, everyone's moves are so safe. They can just nair on shield and just shield immediately after.
Yeah.
That side B from Henwy and can connect.
Okay.
Ups for down throw maybe for stage for I don't know. Bird or
Okay.
Back air gonna catch him. Edge guard this. Side B so quick. Back air letting him space. They're gonna catch him jumping from platform. Ooh, wall jump. Oh, try to catch him slipping. No, some air through that. I think Henwy's getting a little bit desperate for damage.
Okay, now.
Oh, yep, never gonna summon off. Tried down airing him, but gonna get killed for that.
Let's go, Henwy.
Ooh, data loops.
Ooh.
And next F smash won't do it. Up smash or F smash. No, anything but back air. I mean, Jigglypuffs love to jump too, so all PGP has to do is just throw out a hitbox. Up smash and a scooper. Send it into the screen.
R.I.P.
Oh yeah, all that pooper. The poop scoop.
Poop scoop for the win!
Singing.
Who goes for the sing?
Oh, great try and tech chase that with the downer. Smash. Back here. Finish the jump. Nope.
Oh, chase.
I think Henwy just has to stay a little bit more grounded.
Ooh, sing on ledge.
Yeah, it cancels and it catch people who try to fight
Be
it.
aggressive, but
Yeah.
it's a smart play.
Right back there. Be careful when you jump. Great down air. cancel out the up smash.
2-3. What's gonna happen here? Oh,
Up to go
Get
up
that
stage.
ledge. Nice.
Back air almost connecting. I mean, back air still has startup, so if you just keep throwing out moves before Wolf PGP jumps, should be pretty good. Ooh, crazy.
Say Henwy needs to get the stock off now.
It seems like PGP's opting to go low. Seems to be the best option because Henwy doesn't even challenge it. And Shaq's gonna start killing soon off the top.
There it
so-
is.
Hard matchup.
GG's.
Oh, it's still best of 5. That'd be second game there. I wonder what Henwy changes up.
It's hard when you're not as fast.
I was gonna say that. Well,
Sorry, you go.
no, you go ahead.
Oh, I was gonna say it's hard when you're not as fast as Wolf. You also don't hit as hard, and you also are at a range disadvantage. So it's really hard for Jigglypuff. But all you have to do is get him off stage and catch him once. But I don't think PGP is ever gonna jump off stage against Jigglypuff anymore. Ever since he lost that one stock, he hasn't been gimped since. So he's just gonna opt. I think Henwy just has to get him off stage and just punish his low recovery. At that point, it's just cat and mouse. Like, is he gonna recover high or low? He's recovered low the past 4 times. So I wonder if he has to, make an adjustment for that. Go low, go
Okay.
deep.
I was gonna ask because we haven't seen Henwy on stream yet. Does he switch? Does he have an ult?
Let's see.
Or are we gonna see, stage up?
We haven't seen Henwy play anything else in bracket, so
I mean, he's got the Sonic profile pic, so
also true. We did see PGP open up originally with Sonic, and then swap to Wolf.
Does Sorry, who'd you say PGP goes as? You say he switches from someone to Wolf?
Sonic.
I want to say,
Oh.
yeah, we saw PGP play Sonic.
I know there was a Sonic on stream earlier. Was it PGP?
Now that's a question. Now I'm doubting myself.
Well, I'm looking at the match history.
Maybe I'm making up things. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, you could possibly be a liar. That could be it.
Stop lying. Why you always lying?
Anyway,
Oh,
both of these
hit.
playing footsies here.
Alright, getting a couple hits, that's where you run away. Because you have to, honestly, if you're down 2 games, you just have to start camping. Oh, this is perfect. Or, right, like I said, well, he's going to jump, so just beat him to it. Beat him to his move. Ooh, platform. And that's it, he recovered high. Side B? Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, it's going for the down air.
Oh no.
Like 22. Another F
That's
smash, he's
punishing.
just
Put
pulling
that
in.
in low.
He just lasers, yeah. He's behind, so he's just gonna laser. Good ducking technique.
Just bop and leave.
Pro strats.
Great parry, too bad the parry system's broken. I don't even know what that was. It looks like they both got hit, but Jigglypuff ended up losing that trade. I mean, PGP's just going in, hitting him, then running back and lasering. It's he's just controlling the pace completely. And his frame data is just better. So sad. Right, he's conditioning him to jump, so then when he does jump, he gives him a back air.
Yep.
Like that.
Like that.
Yeah,
Man, you
it's
read him
rough.
like a book.
Yeah, it's hard. That's exactly what he was looking for. It's so sad. Because, like, there's nothing you can really do. The platforms are helping now, though. You can kind of chill on a platform, but if he still had a lead... Oh!
Ooh, nice rest.
That's it. Now he just needs to get it to above 20%. And then he can camp on the platforms and be safe for a little bit longer, force a dangerous approach. Now it's just back to neutral. Falling there. Yep, caught him lasering. Yeah, this is just a lot of who hits who, just throwing at hitboxes. It's so hard.
Air dancing.
I guess something you can capitalize on is once he uses his double jump, he's gonna start freaking out and air dodging, so maybe you can use that to your advantage. Sometimes he double jumps a lot. Like, well, that's single jump. It's hard. I'd say just get above him and hit an air. Like a standing in place nair, so then he only has to, you know, he can only cover up, down. Or Henwy can cover it, PGP's vertical movement. Damn. Oh, back air, yeah. What does Henwy do?
I'll never not laugh at that. I know it doesn't.
Henwy.
Oh,
What do we do?
oh,
He's like, hey, Gram. What do we do about Henwy?
Ooh, sing punish.
Oh, near F tilt. Punish. Up air. You right? I mean, Wolf's also got a sword, so.
Another anime swords character. You gotta love it.
Anime. What anime was Star Fox in?
B-stars. Oh,
Alright.
got the sing off!
That's
Smash?
No. Ooh, no rest?
Nah, Rest would have gotten him killed if he didn't get Star KO'd. But if he kills him, oh great, like that.
Nice.
Yeah, if he kills him, he can gimp him. He's done this before. Some beautiful gimps. I don't think PGP's ever gonna approach though. He's just gonna laser him. Oh, approach in air? Maybe if he's in the air, he'll approach because there's no chance of him dying. Just spam. Yeah, honestly, actually, if he mixes up his time to go in with these lasers, he can call it. But obviously, if he miscalls it, he'll get a smash. So
yep.
it's so difficult. His back air is down. Good holding shield. Lasers and then preparing the back airs. Yep.
Oop.
He's probably just gonna try and bait an on shield, unsafe option into an up smash. That's what he's done a couple of times.
Keep doing lasers and then just go into a smash to get the easy kill.
Yeah. Or back air. He can just keep hitting back air for free. Yeah, but his out smash, he's waiting for someone to save option. Henwy doing an amazing job of just staying calm, cool, collected, not doing anything too crazy.
Oop.
Ah, but still, 100% great.
Ooh, and up till 2, yeah, is gonna start killing. No grab. Yep. Gets his jumps reset on platform. Oh, up tilt.
Oh.
Do it.
Oh, there it is. GG's to all.